simplify each complex fraction. I'm going to use method number 2 to simplify this complex fraction. Method number 2, you have to multiply both the top fraction and the bottom fraction by the LCD. So let's find the LCD first. If you look at m minus 3m, there's nothing that you can factor out of that one. But this one here, if I factor out a negative 1, I get m minus 3n. And the reason I want to do that, because now I can use that as a common factor. Because negative 1 times m gives you that negative m, and negative 1 times the negative 3n gives you that positive 3n. So the LCD is the greatest one of each. So I have a group of m minus 3n that I need to use, and I have a group of negative 1. So my LCD is negative 1, m minus 3n. So I'm going to multiply the top fraction and the bottom fraction by negative 1 times m minus 3n, and negative 1 times m minus 3n. So when I multiply the top fractions by the LCD, my denominator cancels with that one, and I'm just left with negative 2 at the top. And then at the bottom, when I multiply negative 1 times, or the LCD times the denominator, the whole thing is going to cancel, because if you notice, the LCD for the bottom one is negative 1 times m minus 3n. So I'm just left with the 1 at the bottom. So my answer then is a negative 2. So to simplify a complex fraction, find the LCD of both denominators and then multiply both the top fraction and the bottom fraction by the LCD, and you can clear the fractions and then you get your answer.